Hi there, it's Grant here. So it has finally happened. Yesterday, the SEC approved 11 Bitcoin ETFs. But the question on everyone's mind now is what is going to happen next to Bitcoin and the wider crypto market? And yep, this is why I've created this video. I'm going to try and do my best to give you a few insights so you can, plan ahead for the beginning part of the year anyway. Because I'm not going to overstate this, or I'm going to overstate this. This is huge for crypto long term. These Bitcoin ETFs are going to give access, Bitcoin going to give people access to Bitcoin who would never consider investing in Bitcoin because, they're scared of investing in wallets, exchanges, they just don't understand it. But these Bitcoin ETF funds make it super easy for large companies, institutional investors, and other people to invest in crypto. Trust me, over the next year or two, couple of years, billions of dollars is going to flow into these funds and the wider crypto market. So what I'm going to do, I've actually created a blog on my blog, Investment of the Decade. If you want to check it out, investmentofthedecade.com, where I sort of run through what I think is going to happen over the coming months, because it might surprise you, certainly the next couple of months, so leading up to Bitcoin halving, because I think all of us expected, Bitcoin to go truly parabolic after the approval, but at the moment that doesn't seem to be the case. After I've gone through this blog post, I'm going to go through, look at some prices for you, so you're fully up to speed with what is happening. So, what is going to happen next? So, when the news broke of approvals, Bitcoin's price reaction was rather underwhelming, with Bitcoin rising just 1.34% in the past 24 hours. However, Ethereum has surged 7.77% in the past 24 hours, and other small coins such as Arbitrum is up 13.85%. In fact, going through the data, some of the smaller altcoins are really doing well. Some are up over 20%. So to summarise, Bitcoin's price action after approval has been a little like a damp squib up until now, but the wider crypto market responded very positively to the news as traders load up on smaller altcoins with the hope of making big gains down the road, which I think is happening. Over the medium to long term, billions of dollars investor money is going to flow into Bitcoin through these ETFs, which will create buying pressure and extra demand, which will mean Bitcoin will surge in value in the over this year, I would assume. But short term, I think there could be quite a large price correction for Bitcoin, where we could see it dip to as low as $30,000 between now and April as traders liquidate their positions, take profits leading up to ETF approvals. But don't be fooled by this dip. It's happened before. Even though when you're in the bull market, dips do happen, but this is a positive thing because it's going to allow people to buy cheaper before a massive price action, and I'm going to get into that now. However, I don't think we're going to see the same price rises, especially from Bitcoin, until after Bitcoin's halving, which is expected to happen on April 29th. In previous bull cycles, typically months after Bitcoin halving, where Bitcoin reaches a new all-time high, and I believe this to be the case for this bull run. I don't think it's going to happen any differently this year. So I think the next few months are going to be fairly volatile, with smaller altcoin market seeing most of the price action. But after Bitcoin's halving is when I think the crypto bull market will kick in big time, as new investors flood into crypto through the ETFs, and this money will filter down into the small altcoins, which will see truly monumental gains. But mark my words, the approval of these Bitcoin ETF funds is going to be huge for crypto. Crypto will now be accessible to more people and investors than ever before, and over this year and next, billions of dollars will flow into the crypto space. And Tika Tawari is one of the leading crypto experts, believes that this is only the start for crypto, the crypto ETF craze. He expects many more asset managers to launch similar ETFs for smaller altcoins, meaning that even more money will flow into crypto. So this is only the beginning. So the next 2 years are going to be exciting for crypto, and many people are going to make life-changing wealth by investing in the right projects if they decide to take this crazy roller coaster. And I think the next year or two is going to be crazy for crypto, but I think it's going to be incredibly exciting. And if you want to join Tika Tawari's Palm Chat, you can do so here, 75% off. So anyway, that is what I expect to happen over the certainly the sort of up until Bitcoin's halving, I think we're going to see a price correction with Bitcoin. I don't think we're going to see insane price rises where we reach all-time highs on approval of this thing before the halving. Could be completely wrong. No one really knows what's going to happen, but I think we're more likely to see a price correction. And then after the halving is, I think, when the crypto bull market will kick in big time. Bitcoin, after that, Bitcoin will head up to all-time high, probably exceed it. And more importantly, the smaller altcoin market is going to go truly parabolic. So there we go. Like I said, if you want to join, if you want to really maximize your chances of success in the crypto bull run, why not join Tika Tuore's Palm newsletter? It's the crypto newsletter that helped me get into crypto. And through it, I've built a nice 4-figure crypto portfolio, which I think is going to do incredibly well in the crypto bull run. So if you want to join, you can join for 75% off. So I'll link to a page down in the comments and description below where you can join. This is a members area. You can get all of the newsletters. There's going to be a newsletter coming out soon. You've got all of the special reports, the portfolio. And if you've never invested in crypto before, you've got Crypto Corner, which will help you get started. So why not check that out? It's just $49 to join, 75% off. Why not give it a try? So let's just have a look on CoinMarketCap, see what's been happening. So Bitcoin is now up 2% over the past 24 hours. I think we're going to know what's going to happen with Bitcoin's price between now and probably Monday. Are we, going to see, maybe 10, 15% gains before a price correction? Is it just going to go parabolic? Or are we going to see that big price correction, which many are predicting? I think so, between, where we see Bitcoin fall away to maybe down to the $30,000 level. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens. I think the next 48, 72 hours, and especially by Monday, we're going to get an idea of what's happening. But as I said, Ethereum is just off to the races, 9.6% in the past 24 hours. 14% for Cardano. Cardano's off to the races. AVAX is up 12.1%. We're all in the green. Trade money is flowing into crypto as we speak on this news. Ethereum Classic up 35%. We're off to the races. This is only the beginning. I think for the crypto bull run, I think it's just going to go absolutely parabolic. But I think the next few months leading up to the crypto bull run are going to be pretty volatile, especially for Bitcoin. But I think some of the smaller altcoins, especially the quality projects, are going to see some big gains. And then after the halving, then I think everything's going to go nuclear, especially for the altcoin. But then I expect in the months following the halving, Bitcoin will chug up to its all-time high. Once it's exceeding it, I think it will probably go parabolic up to $100,000 or more. So that is your crypto update. That is essentially what I think is going to happen over certainly the short term between now and the halving. I think Bitcoin's going to potentially see a price correction. The altcoin market's probably going to do generally better between now and the halving, but after the halving, I think things are going to go nuclear, and it's going to be very, very exciting because by then, money's going to flow into these ETFs, and more money is going to flow into the ETFs after the halving. It's, very exciting time to be part of crypto. So that's what I've got for you. If you want to join the Palm newsletter, I'll link to the page in the comments description below. You can join for 75% off. If you want to read this article, come to my website, investmentofadecade.com. In fact, I'll link to this page in the description below so you can have a quick read as well. I also do a crypto newsletter, so if you like these updates and you want updates like that, you can join my Crypto Insider newsletter completely free, where every week I'll send you a full update of what's happening in the crypto market direct to your inbox, and it's free to join. So all you need to do is click this button, enter your email, and you'll be registered, and you'll be getting my updates as and when exciting news breaks on a weekly basis. So that's what I've got for you. Hope you found this video useful and informative, and I'll speak to you soon.